Alright, so I want to lead you into the aspect of understanding BODMAS once and for all. Let's take a look at these three questions. The first, solution. I have 3/4 plus 6/7 of 28. So to be wrong for me to just add up these two and then multiply this by this. What I'll first of all do is I will attempt to multiplication first before the addition. So it will go like this. 3/4 plus brackets, I have 6/7 times 28. I give it a denominator 1. So 7 here 1, 7 here will give me 4. I have 3/4 plus 6 times 4, that will be 24. 1 times 1, that will be 1. So in simple fraction, this can also be combined as 24 whole number 3/4. So that's for that. Second one, I'm having a 4/9 of 81 divided by 3/4 of 36/45. What do I do in this case? Both here of as times. I give this a denominator, they are together. Divided by this, they are together. 3/4 times 36/45. Alright, so now let's consider the elements in the bracket. 9 into 81 will give me 9. 9 here 1, 9 here 9. So what other number can go into each other? 4 here 1, 4 here will give me 9. Have we? 9 times 4 is not 36. Alright, so 3 here 1 and 3 here will give me 15. So I've broken out the sub elements in the bracket. I'm left with 4 times 9 over 1 times 1 divided by, I'm having 1 times 9 over 1 times 15. The 4 times that will be 36 divided by, so 1 times that 9 all over 15, right? So if I reverse it, I'll have 9/15 divided by 36. So I give this a denominator. I'll have 9/15 times big division. 1 will go up and 36 comes down. 9 times 1 will give me 9 all over. Now 15 times 36, let's see. 36 times 15. 5 times 6, 30. Put down 0, carry 3. 5 times 3, 15. Plus 3, 18. 180. 1 times 6 is 6. And 1 times 3 is 3. 8 plus 6 is 14. Put down 4, carry 1. 3 plus 1, 4. That's 540. 540. What can go? So let's see, I'm having let me see. If I have 2, so if I have 270, 0, okay, then 3 can go now. 3 into 9 will give me 3. Now 3 into one of these give us 90 of it, and 90 in the other side of it. Which is 180. Is that not true?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 3 1. and 3 here. 6 times 60 times 3 is 180. Huh? And 1 over 60. That's for that. Then for the third case, I'm having this. Let me just solve this one from here. Number 3. I watch 16 all over 32. Over this. So adjacent. We do it adjacent like this. So like here I'm having 16 here 1. 16 here. You give me 2. So 3 can go into this. 3 into this 5. And 3 into this 7. So at the numerator I'm having 1 times 5 over 7 times 2 over here. I'm having 25 here 1. 25 here will give me 3. 13 here 1. Huh?
Yes.
13 here will give me 1. 13 can go into 65. How many times? Let me see. 13 times 5. 5 times 3. Times 3. 15. So 13 times 5 times 3. 15. 2 down 5. Carry 1. 5 times 1. 65. You can go 5 times now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 13 here 1, 13 here will give me 5. So here I'm having 1 times 1 over 3 times 5. Okay, if I go further, I'll be having 5 over 14 divided by 1 over 15. Right? So the big division sign, because this one I'm calling out this one now as a separate question from here. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so now I'm having 5 over 14 times this big division sign. 15 will go up and the 1 comes down. Okay? So 5 times 15 will give me 75 all over 14. Is that not true?
Yes. Yes.
So if I break this down, 5 all over 14, let's see what we get from this. 14 into this, 2 cannot go because it's an even number, this an odd number. Okay, 15 times 5, let me try 14 times 5, let's see. 5 times 4, 20, put down 0, carry 2. 5 times 1, 5, that's 70. Okay, can go 5 times now, right?
Yes, sir.
5 whole number, 5 over 14. 5 times 14 is 70. And left with 5, right? Yeah?
Yes.
That's 5 whole number, 5 over 14. Alright, so with this, I hope you understand BODMAS once and for all. If you have any questions, drop in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.